Recording? Alright, so we got some unboxings to unbox. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe and like because the boy just got fired. So look, I got these from our Bravest Studios. It's some foot clogs. God damn. The box won't even come out. Alright, so look, you know how to do this. Stop the video. Alright, so look. Boom, finally out the box. Bravest Studios foot clog. Size 10. Kind of like the box, I ain't gonna lie. Where may be prone to jumping. Whatever the fuck that means. Alright, how open this? Pull this up. Nope. Oh shit. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Boom. Y'all see? It's pretty nice, I ain't gonna lie. The box is nice. Keep recording. Ain't nothing in there. On to the next thing. So this right here goes with the shoes. The medium Nike Nigo t-shirt. My bad. And then of course we got the shoes that go with it. And this is a size 10, so if you guys want to see it, want to buy it, you can. Of Zay Clay Sneaks or ZayClay_TRD. Or you can hit one of the links. Oh, box not bad. Nike Air Force 3. Size 10. The colors read white, university red. Paper not bad either. Oh shit. Whoa. Would you wear?
Yeah.
Comes with a pen. That's pretty nice. What the other two comes with. No extra laces though. Not bad. That's it for today. It's your boy Zay. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe for more unboxings.